Every great design starts with a vision. What if you could design the perfect light just by looking at your ceiling? Or choose the perfect sofa by just looking at the empty space in your living room corner? Well, you can! Our new augmented reality simulator brings your vision to life by letting you see how your space will look like with different furnishing. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to blend furniture using the 3D viewer and virtual blending. It's actually very simple. Using your mobile phone or tablet, click on the AR icon found at the top right corner on your screen. Then, point at the empty space you're looking to fill and move your phone or tablet slowly in circular motion until the object appears. Next, measure and mark the dimensions in the actual scene, then scale the object to fit the scene. Finally, take photos or videos of your blend and share. Just like that! Easy, right? HOMEU offers you luxury you can afford. We're your go-to store for brand new designs that are timeless, top-notch, and customized to your liking. Our AR simulator makes it even better, because now you get to view items in your home even before buying. Give it a try today. All photo shares with the hashtag HOMEU3D shall have special giveaways on their orders upon purchase.